Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase memory extension on Android. Let's get started. At first, go to phone settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on additional settings. Scroll down. Now tap on memory extension. Now you can increase memory extension. You can select 6GB or 8GB, whatever you want. Now reboot your device. By this process, you can easily increase memory extension on Android. Thanks for watching.